Hello everyone and welcome back to Energy Advantage, your trusted source of all things roofing and solar. Today we are going to dive into the seemingly simple but incredibly important topic. Caulking, which also used to call chalking because I have dyslexia and I can't read. Anyway. Okay, so you might be wondering, why is caulking so important? Well, stick around and I'll tell you. In this video, we're going to explore why caulking is essential, where it's used, and of course, how it can save you from various problems. Okay, let's get started. What is caulking and why is it so important? Caulking is a flexible material, usually a sealant. It's used to fill gaps, seal joints or seams in various parts of your roof and your home. This is why it's so important. Waterproofing. Caulking creates a watertight seal. This prevents water from seeping into gaps. And this could be around vents, pipes, flashing, and various structures of your roof. It's a crucial part from keeping your roof dry and free from water damage. Nails. Caulking serves as an important tool in sealing nails on your roof. Nails can rust and get loose over time. And basically what that means is that it can allow water to infiltrate your roof. And this of course can create issues such as mold growth. Structural integrity. It helps preserve your roof integrity by sealing gaps that could lead to rot and decay. So as you can see, caulking is a little important. It's like a superhero for your roof. Where is caulking essential? Flashing. Check the flashing around chimneys, vents, and skylights. These are common areas where caulking is needed. And of course, maintain a watertight seal. Roof joints. Inspect roof joints, especially in flat or low slope roofs. Roof penetrations. Seal around roof penetrations. This includes pipes, AC units. You simply want to prevent water from seeping through the openings. Caulking is especially essential for areas where there is high winds and heavy rain. So by simply taking the time to caulk your roof, you extend the lifespan of your roof, you ensure it's well protected, and of course, it lowers your energy bills. How can caulking save you money? Caulking prevents costly repairs because it really protects from water damage on your roof. Water damage means that you can have leaks and structural decay, and that's expensive to fix. Increases energy efficiency. You seal gaps, you prevent drafts, and that means that it makes your home more energy efficient. Extending the lifespan of your roof. Regular maintenance, including caulking, will extend the lifespan of your roof, and therefore, it'll save you money. Maintaining property value. A well-maintained roof adds value to your property. So, don't underestimate the power of caulking. It's a really small investment that offers huge benefits. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, if you would like us to give you a roofing quote or a solar quote, all the information that you need is in the description box below. Have a good day.